First, let me remind you formula for integration by parts. When we have integral of f of x times g prime of x with respect to x, this is equal f of x times g of x minus, and we have integral of f prime of x times g of x with respect to x. We have got function x times cosine of x. So we have product of two other functions. First is x, the second is cosine of x. And integration by parts can be useful if I can take the derivative of one of them and it becomes simpler, and if I take the antiderivative of the other one, it becomes no more complicated. Here we have x and cosine x. When we take derivative of x, we will have 1. So we will put f of x equals x. F prime of x, derivative of x, is 1. Now we have our first f of x equals x. Now what's left is our g prime of x. Let me put this here. We have g prime of x is equal cosine of x. So now we need to find antiderivative of cosine of x. This is equal sine of x. You can always check. Derivative of sine is cosine. So we have f, g, we have f prime, g prime. So now we can just substitute to our formula. So our integral of x times cosine of x with respect to x is equal. We have f of x times g of x. So we have to just multiply x times sine of x minus, and now we have integral of derivative of f of x. So this is 1 times g of x is sine of x. So we have times sine of x with respect to x. Now we see that our integral is very simple. We have just integral of sine of x. So first we have to just copy x times sine of x minus, and integral of sine. Let me rewrite this. We have integral of sine of x with respect to x. So this is equal. We have to rewrite x sine of x minus, and integral of sine is negative cosine. So I will put this in parentheses, negative cosine of x. And of course we have to add constant. So this is equal. Negative and negative give us positive. So we have x sine of x plus cosine of x plus constant c. This is my solution.